I'm Adarsh Raj from the PU Mirror, and with me right now I have two highly motivated individuals, Shobit Banga and Supriya Paul, the founders and brain behind Josh Talks. Let's begin with what is Josh Talks, the seed, the trunk, the foliage behind this concept. How did it grow from an idea to a working model?
Okay. So at Josh Talks, we believe that people with a passion can change the world. What that really means is that, so when I was in college, I used to see my peers and they were just wasting their time. लोग पूरा दिन अपना कैंटीन में टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, क्लासेस वैसे ही नहीं होती थी. Supriya and I met at a friend's birthday party, and randomly I was like this weird kid going around talking to everyone about this idea. And I told Supriya about this, and she felt similarly about this issue, and that's why we really got talking, and we said that okay, let's do this, let's organize this event where we call people who have done remarkable things with their life, people who are advocates of the belief that people with a passion can change the world. And let's just get these people together on a platform, let's ask them to share their story, and let's get an audience of like 200, 300, 500 people, whatever, people like us who can be molded to make their lives productive and to achieve something brilliant with their lives. That's really what Josh Talks is all about. That's what we're trying to do.
So it's been 2 years since you started Josh Talks. How would you summarize your success and your future goals?
So it's been an amazing journey. We started out not wanting to become a company as such. We just started out wanting to create impact, and it has become a company because we started getting an amazing response from people, and one event led to the next, and we did Josh Talks in Bombay, Bangalore, Chandigarh. Today we are here to organize one of the events tomorrow, and these are just community gatherings of people who share this belief, this common belief, and who just want to go out there and do something. Inko thodi si kharish hai. Just bringing together of those people, just 6 stories, remarkable stories again, just 6 of them, getting them together. That's this year. The next couple of years, we've discussed this with our investors, with people who support us. Just take this to the masses, take it to the villages of India where the impact can be the most, and take it to schools across the country.
What was that one reason, that one igniter that pushed you into it? And how do you think Josh Talks helps in justifying that reason?
So, while I was growing up, I was a very confused person. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life. So, in class 11 and 12, I took science with biology, and decided to pursue medicine. 2 months into it, I left that and took up economics instead, and decided that I'm going to become an engineer. I started preparing for my FITGE exams. I gave that up again. Then I had to fight with my school principals to be able to get commerce because the last date for the course change had changed. So I was always like in this constant fix of changing things. Like I never had my heart into one thing. So basically the reason why I took to the concept of Josh Talks initially was to get people rid of their confusion. And I didn't want that the time that I wasted, which is practically 4 years of my life, deciding to do what I wanted to do, someone else would have to do that too. So by giving them role models in the form of our speakers, I'm helping them get rid of that.
You guys are visionaries in your own terms, trying to change the lives of many other youth like you. So how did this change your life over the past 2 years since you started Josh Talks?
So while I was in college and in school, I would consider myself the biggest nerd. All that I had for me in life was my books. I never really interacted with anyone socially. It was barely just my close circle of friends. And I always wanted to see myself at the top academically. I didn't really know why was the reason that I wanted to do that, but I always wanted to excel at my studies. But Josh Talks really changed and broadened my vision and horizon, and exposed me to the possibilities of doing so many different things. And a person like me earlier never had the courage to go up to and talk to anyone, and now that I handle sales and partnerships, I'm able to talk to new people every day. I attend a lot of conferences. I have the courage to walk up to strangers and have an engaging conversation with them about any topic in the world, which 2 years back I wouldn't be able to do. So I really think that it has evolved me as a person and literally changed me.
So any parting words you would like to give to our viewers?
No, just thanks to you guys for taking this interview, and I look forward to seeing everybody at the first community meet of Josh Talks in Chandigarh taking place at Shosha Cafe in Sector 26 tomorrow from 11 to 1 o'clock. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you, Shobit and Supriya, for this excellent conversation. This is Adarsh Raj, the PU Mirror, signing off.